Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use your iPad as an external display for your MacBook Air M5. Let's get started right away. First thing you need to know is that both of these devices need to be connected on the same Apple ID, on the same Apple account. This cannot be the iPad of your friend, for example. Second of all, both of these devices need also to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Then step number one on your MacBook over here, make sure your iPad is turned on and unlocked. You're going to go on the top right corner, click this icon, find the icon where you see two rectangles, click on it. And here you can see all the displays, including your iPad, that you can extend your display or mirror. So click on your iPad. You can mirror the display of your Mac, or you can use it as an extended display, and this is what I will choose. And right away it will work. Now, as you see, your iPad will have some black bars and with some shortcuts on the side. Maybe this is not what you want. If you want a full screen on your Mac, you're going to select Hide Sidebar and it will disappear. You can also select Hide Touch Bar. And now you're going to get the full experience. Now I can drag windows from my main display to my iPad. You can also change where your iPad is located. For example, if you put it on the right side, you're going to click the Apple logo, select System Settings, Displays. Here is your iPad. You can click on it to change a few different things. You can press Arrange and you can move it. So if you put your iPad above your Mac, well, you can put it like this. Okay, once you arrange your iPad, you're going to press Done. Let me put it back here. And now you'll be able to drag windows between your two screens. Thanks for watching. By the way, once you finish doing this and you don't need your iPad anymore, just do the same thing you did to enable the feature. So go on the top right corner, select this, select your iPad, and the screen mirroring, screen extension will stop. Thanks, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.